Today you will be taking your climate and energy test. Please make sure to pause the video when you need to, and also make sure to rewind. I will read each question only one time, so please make sure to pause it and rewind if you need to hear the question more than once. All right, good luck. Number 1, why is the Earth heated unequally? A, the equator receives direct sunlight, whereas the poles receive indirect. B, the equator is closer to the sun. C, heat rises from the poles to the equator, making the equator hotter. Or D, the equator receives indirect sunlight, whereas the poles receive direct. Number 2, what process is being used to grow the plants in this diagram? Is it F, water cycle, G, solar radiation, H, creation of soil, or J, greenhouse effect? Number 3, the energy source of the water cycle is step number A, 2, B, 5, C, 1, or D, 4. Number 4, Earth's energy budget. So we're going to use this diagram to help us answer this question. So it says, what total percentage of the Earth's incoming energy budget is reflected back into space? All right. So is it 51%, F, G, 6%, H, 64%, or J, 30%? Number 5, the direct transfer of heat from one object to another through touching is called A, convection, B, invection, C, radiation, or D, convection. Number 6, which is an example of conduction? Heat from a fire, F, G, bare feet on hot sand, H, heat from the sun, or J, drying boots over a hot air vent? Number 7, use the diagram below to answer the question. Which option represents heat transfer through conduction? Is it A, option 1, B, option 3, or C, option 2? Number 8, use the diagram below to answer the question. Which letter represents heat transfer through fluids, liquids, or gases? Option 2 is letter F. Option 1, letter G, or option 3, letter H. Number 9, use the diagram below to answer the question. Which letter represents heat transfer through electromagnetic rays like the sun? Is it option 2, option 1, or option 3? So A, option 2, B, option 1, or C, option 3. Number 10, use the diagram below to answer the question. According to the picture above, in the atmosphere, warm air blank and cold air blank. F, rises, rises. G, rises, sinks. H, sinks, rises. J, sinks, sinks. Number 11. What is the source of heat for the Earth? A. Convection from Earth's core. B. Radiation from volcanoes. C. Conduction from the sun. Or D. Radiation from the sun. Number 12. What type of process do the arrows in the pot indicate? F. Radiation. G. Convection. H. Conduction. Or J. Induction. Number 13. What is the source of radiation in the picture? A. The pan. B. The fire. C. The fish. Or D. The hand. Number 14. The transfer of energy by electromagnetic waves is called F. Invection. G. Radiation. H. Convection. Or J. Conduction. Number 15. As the air on the left side of the mountain rises, its temperature becomes A. Warmer, B. Extremely cold, C. Cooler, or D. Unchanged. So the left side is this side of the mountain as it rises. Number 16. A thick brownish haze that forms when certain gases in the air react with sunlight is known as F. Global warming, G. Ozone, H. Chlorofluorocarbons, or J. Smog. Carbon dioxide trapping heat in the atmosphere is known as A. The greenhouse effect, B. The ozone layer, C. Pollution, or D. Smog. 18. Which of the following does not affect local climate? F. Deserts, G. Large cities, H. Mountains, or J. Oceans. 19. In which climate zone is the state of Florida located? A. Temperate, B. Polar, C. Mild, or D. Subarctic. Number 20. A sea breeze is when cooler ocean air flows inland. This occurs during the, is it F. High tide, G. Evening, H. Winter, or J. Daytime? Number 20. I'm going to read this one again. A sea breeze is when cooler ocean air flows inland. This occurs during the F. High tide, G. Evening, H. Winter, J. Daytime. Number 21. The amount of energy entering Earth's atmosphere should be blank, the amount of energy exiting. So we say that the Earth's energy budget is A. Equal to, increasing, B. Lower than, decreasing, C. Higher than, increasing, D. Equal to, balanced. So you're filling in the blanks. The first blank is on the left side. The second blank is going to be on the right side. Make sure you try them all out. Plug it in. Number 22. The slow but steady rise in the average temperature of the oceans and atmosphere is called F. Conduction, G. Global warming, H. Greenhouse effect, or J. Electromagnetic waves. 23. Which of the following is not an effect of global warming? A. The refreezing of glaciers, B. The increase in storm systems, C. Coastal flooding, D. Coral reefs dying. 24. Virginia Beach and Bristol, Virginia are the same distance from the equator. Virginia Beach is located near the ocean, while Bristol is located further inland. The climate in Virginia Beach would be F, the same as Bristol, G, always warmer than Bristol, H, milder than Bristol, or J, always colder than Bristol. 25. What direction does the jet stream travel? A, west to east, B, northwest to southwest, C, southeast to northwest, or D, east to west? And that is your last question. Please make sure to go back and check your work and listen to any question that you had issues with or that you had questions about. Again, if you have any questions, make sure to ask me, Mrs. Ross, before you turn your test in. All right, good luck.